Welcome to the live on the short clip. This mission of Mr. Sylvester City here, right here on the rock that can show the foot level to anything, and led by a sword and sword leading as the light is. Thanks so much. Thanks to my very number ERONK and 2624011-988. Don't let somebody interpret my grade or degree with the code and things that I have. I'm the only one who put it there as a showbie, and also in birth. And it occurred in the Nkonya. My birth didn't occur in somebody's town for him to claim being a son or father to. I don't want you to be a father or son to this. I am what you don't know. So that we're also talking about the 107 million cities allowance paid to 1990, which is 99 ways. That is each assembly member, if assemblyman, of course, should be represented with the number one. Probably 99 means we got 9,090 assemblymen probably gazetted or into us. They are saying it. That is in an order of honor. Say 2025 they have been paid allowance of 13. That is 1,300, which is also quoted to myself on the table. We also say when we came, we saw that we have our life on the table. 14 having in Coco for whatever that is say. Also, the same person I have to have for breakfast that they may be living on, they say no. How then can you be in my presence? So, glory of the word is that as for my products and the creation, it to glorify myself for who I am, especially when I talk of what is happening in reality. It won't dishonor what I'm saying. But you, the human being who don't know what you carry, you are just making sales with cash or what you need. But that doesn't mean you know who or whose presence you are living. That you may have been sent, and then you don't know what you're doing. So this is what it looks like also in the assemblymen, most of them, with what they are doing. That you give them money for the community base, they don't know what to do with it. And of course, why we also say that to stand an opportunity that you are entrusted that the community for local governance or whatever they elect you to be one of them, that you should stand on their behalf, because some may be other busy working, and you being there is indeed to fulfill your vision and dream, which is also the vision of the people around us, also in heaven, birth, star birth. So that indeed we also encounter the trip of the government and the the convoy past here, right here in the region, Tepo to be precise, as the earth is blowing. So I don't have any wife that may be claiming that I have had to say it is, but I have beyond wife, because before I list somebody as wife, I have to have princesses first. Then it's in that order until I call somebody a wife. So as for the princesses and princes, destined is birth. We have been birth already, the kings and princes from the royal home. So that's why as for that one is given already. So to have anybody as a wife, then we have to come and look for it. That's what I'm saying. Now, to know that I have never been paid any money whatsoever, you don't come to my channel to say that you know I'm a part of a group that maybe ever run away with money. So what has that got to do with us?